Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to enable DRM in Android and explain how to access protected content smoothly on your device. This is a simple process that ensures media works without restrictions. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. This is the main app used to access websites and online media. Step 2, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the main menu where you can access settings and other controls. Step 3, select settings from the menu. This section contains all browser configuration options. Accessing settings allows you to adjust how Chrome handles content and media. Step 4, tap site settings in the settings menu. This controls permissions and behavior for websites. Step 5, scroll down and tap protected content. This option manages digital rights for videos and audio. Step 6, select Allow Protected Content to enable DRM. This action activates the feature so your Android device can access all protected media. Once enabled, you are all set to enjoy DRM protected content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.